Hey there, welcome back to another episode. In today's video, I'm going to walk you through the steps on how to fix Telegram too many attempts, please try again later issue on your device. If you're encountering the too many attempts, please try again later issue, it typically means there have been multiple unsuccessful login attempts from your account in a short period. So to resolve this issue and regain access to your Telegram account, you need to follow these steps. First of all, when you're trying to log in into your Telegram account, and then when you try to log in into your account for several times and you're unable to do it, so then what you need to do is you need to wait for a while. The error message suggests that you need to wait for some time before attempting to log in into your account and log in again. So the waiting period can vary, so be patient. Avoid repeatedly trying to log in during this time, as it may extend the logout durations. After that, you can also check your password. Make sure that the credential you're entering is correct, and make sure that you have not misspelled any of these passwords. Apart from that, you can also clear cache, and for that, long press on your Telegram application, go to the app info icon. This is going to take you to the app info page, and right over here click on storage and cache. Click on clear storage and clear data. It's going to log you out of your account, so you can try again and you might be able to fix the issue. Apart from that, you can also check your internet connections. Sometimes if you have an unstable or if you're not connected to an internet service, then this kind of error occurs. And make sure that you've checked your internet connection. And apart from that, what you can do is, if you're using a VPN, you should disable it, enable your VPN, then you should enable it, and this might be able to fix the issue. And if none of these seems to be working, then you can try logging into a different device. So if you have another device available, try logging into that device. Sometimes login issue may be on a specific device as well. If you have installed any third-party apps like ad blocker or any sort of things, then you should disable it, because this might be one of the major issues here why you're unable to log in into your account. Now remember that the waiting period is an essential part of solving the issue, and repeatedly trying to log in during this period may prolong the logout. So if none of these above steps work, reach out to a Telegram support is your best option for further assistance and account recovery. So this is how you can fix your Telegram too many attempts, please try again later error on your device. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to the channel. Also make sure to comment down below any further queries. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.